Two-factor authentication not working on Moomoo Invest Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Moomoo Invest app, don't stress, it's a common issue that usually has a quick fix. The surprising truth is that most of the problems aren't caused by the app itself, but by tiny sync or connection errors on your phone. Start by checking your phone's time settings. Go into settings and turn on set time automatically. Two-factor codes are time sensitive, and if your device clock is even slightly off, your verification code won't match what Moomoo's server expects. Next, make sure your Moomoo app is fully up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play and download any pending updates. Use security updates often fix temporary login issues and improve code synchronization. If you're using SIM's verification and not receiving a code, switch to mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi, and disable your phone. Many users don't realize that VPNs or certain Wi-Fi networks can block automated text messages for security reasons. If you use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and check its settings for sync time for codes. Tap that you resync your app with the correct time. It's one of the fastest ways to fix mismatched codes. Still having issues? Try locking out, uninstalling, and reinstalling the Moomoo app. This clears out old cached data and reestablishes a clean connection to Moomoo's servers. Once you reinstall, set up two-factor authentication again using your preferred method. And if you've lost your device or changed your number, don't worry. Tap Can't Access Two-Factor on the login screen and follow Moomoo's recovery process to securely regain access to your account. Once your device is synced and your app updated, your two-factor authentication should start working perfectly again. That extra code might feel inconvenient, but it's one of the most powerful protections keeping your investments and identity safe on Moomoo Invest.